Okay, this is a Panasonic ceiling fan with remote controllable. Okay, so this is Panasonic remote-able ceiling fan. This ceiling fan might be faulty, might be malfunction, but I'm not sure. So I already on the switch. Then let's on it here. Press this on button. The on button. Okay, on. Okay, it seems like the fan is running. So let's change the speed to 3 here. Nothing different. Press 1 again. Press speed 1. The speed look like no different. But of no problem. Never mind. I will hang this fan on the ceiling and we do it again and we try again. See, is the speed different? If the speed not different, then the fan might be okay. If the speed is if the speed is not different, then the controller board might be malfunction. That means when you control it, you want to slow it down, it cannot slow down. Okay, so if this is the case, I might bypassing the controller board and use it with regulator so that we can control the speed by using regulator. So later on I will hang the fan on the ceiling and we try again. Okay, I have hang it on the ceiling. See, can it be controlled by the remote controller? Okay, let's on. The fan is starting spinning. Okay, let's see. Now I try to turn it to on the speed 3, the maximum one, speed 3. The remote controller cannot be used now. Wait, let me change the battery. Let me change the battery first. See, look like the remote control have weak battery. Try. Cannot. Okay, I have changed the battery. Let turn change to speed 3. Look like the remote control is having problem. Okay, turn it off. On. Okay, change to speed 3. On. Change to speed 3. Okay, now already changed to speed 3. The fan not running fast enough. Okay, try change to speed 1. Look like the fan is okay. It's becoming slow. 3 again. The fan look like no problem. So never mind, we remain unchanged. This ceiling fan, we do nothing, and I can confirm that the fan is running well with the controller board. and the remote controller. So we have to do nothing. We have do nothing to this ceiling fan, no bypassing, and use back the original board. Okay, that's it the video today. Thank you.